Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. So far we have learned about variables, operators and conditional statements. In this video we are moving to one of the most powerful features in Python, that is loops. Loops allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times without writing it again and again. In Python we mainly use for loops and while loops. The for loop is used to repeat code over a sequence like a list, string or a range of numbers. For example, for I in range 5 print hello. This will print hello 5 times. You can also loop through items and list or even characters in a string, which is called iterating over sequences. For example, fruits is equal to list of fruits, that is apple, banana and cherry. For fruit in fruits, for loop print fruit. This will print each fruit on a line, that is apple, banana and cherry. The while loop keeps running as long as a condition is true. For example, count is equal to 1, while count less than equal to 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, print count, the value of count. Count plus is equal to 1 means increment after each loop. This will print numbers from 1 to 5. Inside loops, we can use break and continue. Break stops the loop completely. Continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next. That is important. For example, for I in range 5, if I is equal to 3, break, print I. This will print 0, 1, 2 and then stops. Loops can also be nested, meaning one loop inside another. For example, for I in range 3, another loop within loop for j in range 2, print I j. This will print all combinations of I and j. Okay, now you have mastered for loops and while loops along with break, continue and nesting. In the next video we will explore functions in Python, how to create reusable blocks of code. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson, only on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.